Hello. Uh, Let us solve some more examples. Uh, Evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sine x minus cosine x plus log of 1 minus x over x tan square x. So let us solve limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sine x minus cosine x plus log of 1 minus x over x tan square x. Now we know as x tends to 0, we can write tan x as x because limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. So let us do that. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sine x minus cosine x plus log of 1 minus x divided by x cube. Now we can see that when x tends to 0, sine 0, 0, cosine 0, 1. So this 1 and minus 1, that is 0. Log 1 is also 0. X cube, x tends to 0, so that is also 0. And so we have 0 by 0. So let us use L'Hopital rule. So derivative of sine x is cosine x, derivative of 1 is 0. Then derivative of minus cosine x is minus sine x, so that is sine x plus log 1 minus x. Derivative of log 1 minus x is 1 over 1 minus x, and derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1, and this is 3x square. Next, when x tends to 0, cosine 0, 1, sine 0, 0. This is also 1. X tends to 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is 1 and minus 1, 0. So we have again 0 by 0. And so limit x tends to 0. Derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. Sine x derivative is cosine x. We know derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So derivative of 1 over 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x square with negative sign. And again, the derivative of 1 minus x is negative. So that negative and negative become positive. So this minus sign remains. And this is 6x. Next. This is now sine 0. This is cosine 0, 1. This is also 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is 0 by 0. And so limit x tends to 0. Derivative of minus sine x is minus cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. We know derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. So this is minus 2 by 1 minus x cube. But then again, negative sign is there. Derivative of 1 minus x is negative. So we have 3 times negative. 1 is here. 1 negative sign for this derivative. And 1 negative sign for derivative of 1 minus x. So total negative sign. And this is by 6. So this is 1. This is 0. This is a minus 2 and 6. So answer is 1 minus 1 by 2. Take one more example. evaluate limit x tends to 0, 10x minus sin x divided by sin cube x. So limit x tends to 0, 10x minus sin x over sin cube x. So this we can write same logic that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So divide by x, multiply by x, or you can say as x tends to 0, sin x can be replaced by x. Now tan 0, sin 0, so that is 0. And so this is 0 by 0. So now let us take the derivative of 10x is sec square x. Derivative of sin x is cosine x. And this is 3x square. Sec 0 is 1, cosine 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 0 by 0. Sec square x. So derivative of sec square x. So that is 2 sec x. And derivative of sec x, chain rule we need to apply. Derivative of sec x is sec x into 10x. So that is sec square x here into 10x. Derivative of cosine x is minus sin x. So plus sin x. And this is 6x. Now see, we can write this as limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. So we can take sin x common here and here into limit x tends to 0 to sec cube x. So this 10x is sin x by cosine x and 1 upon cosine x is sec x plus 1 and divide by 6. Now both the limit exist. This limit exists, this also exists. So we can write like this. So this limit is 1 and this is 2 plus 1 by 6. And so that is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, take one more. Evaluate limit x tends to a, x power a minus a power x divided by x power x minus a power a. So here limit x tends to a, x power a minus a power x divided by x power x minus a power a. Now say x tends to a. So this is a power a, x tends to a. So this is 0 and denominator is also 0. So that is 0 by 0. So we apply the theorem. Derivative of x power a. So it is of the kind x power n. So it is n x power n minus 1. So this is a x power a minus 1. Derivative of a power x is a power x log a. Derivative of x power x. Standard we know it is x power x 1 plus log x. And derivative of a power a, that is constant, and so that is 0. So this is nothing but limit x tends to a. This is a. Okay, now when x tends to a, so this is a into a power a minus 1 minus a power a log a divided by a power a 1 plus log a. So this is a power a 1 minus log a. This is a power a 1 plus log a, this cancel. So this is the answer, 1 minus log a over 1 plus log a. Next, evaluate limit x tends to 0, e to the power x sin x minus x minus x square over x square plus x log of 1 minus x. So let us solve this. Limit x tends to 0, e power x sin x minus x square over x square plus x log 1 minus x. Now e power 0, 1, but sin 0, 0. So numerator is 0, denominator x tends to 0, so x square is there, x is there, log 1 is 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So let us use the theorem, take the derivative separately in numerator and denominator. So here the derivative of e power x into sin x, product rule we need to apply. So e power x derivative e power x sin x as it is, plus e power x as it is, derivative of sin x is cosine x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square 2x. Now denominator x square derivative 2x plus again product rule. So derivative of x is 1 log 1 minus x as it is, and x as it is, derivative of log 1 minus x is 1 over 1 minus x, and derivative of 1 minus x is negative, minus 1. Now again find the form. So e power 0, 1 sin 0, this is 1 minus 1, so this is 0. This is 0, log 1 is 0, that is 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So we need to use this rule, derivative of u by v here. So you know this is v square, then v as it is, derivative of u minus u and derivative of v. So this is limit x tends to 0, e power x sin x. So e power x, let us take the derivative of sin x. Okay, e power x, derivative of e power x is e power x sin x as it is. Derivative of sin x is cosine x, e power x as it is. Then e power x cos x. So derivative of e power x is e power x cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is minus sin x. So minus e power x sin x. And derivative of minus 2x is 2. Here derivative of 2x is 2. Log 1 minus x. So it is 1 over 1 minus x, and derivative of 1 minus x is minus. This is minus u by v rule. So this is 1 minus x square. 1 minus x as it is, derivative of x is 1 minus x as it is, derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1. Now here let us see this to cancel. So what it remains, let us see, is equal to limit x tends to 0, e power x cos x, e power x cos x. So 2 e power x cosine x, then minus 2, this is 2 minus 1 over minus x, and this is now simplify, x minus and x plus cancel. So this is minus 1 over 1 minus x square. This is e power 0, 1, cos 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. This is 1. This is also 1 when x tends to 0. So this is 2 minus 1 minus 1. So that is also 0. So that is again 0 by 0 form. So limit x tends to 0. So now 2 derivative of e power x is e power x cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. So minus 2 e power x sine x. Derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of 1 over 1 minus x. So minus 1 over 1 minus x squared. And again the derivative of 1 minus x is minus. That means 3 times negative sign. We'll have a negative sign. 1 for this. Another derivative sign negative means 1 over 1 over x. Derivative is minus 1 over x squared. And again third time is derivative of 1 minus x. Same way here also. So minus 2, 1 minus x cubed. And now x tends to 0. This is 2. This is a minus 1. And this is minus 2. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Thank you.